Hey guys, Jason Manlove with Old World Lumber Company. Today we want to talk to you guys about how to install our floating shelf and floating mantel bracket. So to get started, you'll take your piece, turn it over on its back, and find the center line. Once you find your center, you'll take the bracket, you'll lay it on that line, scribe your post, and then at that point you'll be ready to take a drill with a 1/2 inch drill bit, at least 6 inches long, and drill your post. Once you do that, go ahead and test fit your bracket. Make sure that the bracket slips all the way down flush like this to the back of the mantel. Okay, now that we have the mantel or the shelf pre-drilled, it's time to hang the bracket on the wall. So at this point, you want to use a level and you want to use lag bolts, and you want to make sure those lag bolts go into studs. You can see here we've hit 4. So once we've done that, you will take 2-part epoxy or liquid nails, and you'll fill these holes here before hanging the mantel or the shelf onto these posts. Now, we drilled these holes at 1/2 inch to give us a little bit of play if we weren't perfectly level here. It gives you a little bit of room to make minor adjustments like that. When you're making those adjustments, you could lift up on this side, put a little shim back here, and let it dry.